It was in the seventh over. India had 48 runs on the board. At the crease were Shubman Gill, Rohit Sharma. They were asked to go off the field. You know the reason for that? There was a power failure which has resulted in a lot of embarrassment for Indian cricket. But a couple of things that I'm here to tell you about. First, let's talk about what exactly the reason behind that power failure was. As has been reported by a very credible newspaper, it turns out that there was a problem with the generator. Now, there were 6 towers that you saw, 6 floodlights that you saw around the stadium. There was one that was behind long on, which went off. The reason why it took 35 minutes for the concerned agencies and authorities to get it restarted and for play to resume about 35 minutes. The reason for that is because the main generator, which was give supply, power supply to that particular tower, that conged off. As a result, they had to replace it, and that is what took all the time for the concerned authorities to get the action underway once again at the Baramati Stadium. So that's what exactly happened. But I'm here to tell you about two other things that have resulted because of that particular episode. Let's talk about the organizational front. What has resulted, what it has resulted in. Now, the sports department of the government has stepped into the matter and has asked the Odisha Cricket Association to do three things. One is explain what exactly happened and where did things go wrong. The second, also tell them about what is it that they are doing in terms of an investigation is concerned and who exactly is it that is responsible, which agency or which person is responsible. That's number two that the OCA has to do. The third thing that the OCA has also been asked to do is to also tell the sports department what measures they will be undertaking going forward so that such an incident does not take place. They've been given 10 days of time to submit a reply. This is a letter that has been written by the sports department to the Odisha Cricket Association. Now, that is just one part of the story. Let's talk about the second aspect. That was the first aspect. Let's talk about the second aspect and the political ramification that it has resulted in. This whole episode of 35 minutes of there being a power failure. Let's talk about the political ramification of that. And the political ramification is that now it has become an issue for the prime opposition party, which is the Biju Janata Dal, that has now trained guns at the Bharatiya Janata Party, which has the government in Odisha. They have raised serious questions about their ability, the ability of the government to host such international events and the seriousness with which they are looking at sport in Odisha. So that is another front on which the government has also been involved in this particular incident. We're awaiting to know what exactly will be the government's response to this question that has been raised by the Biju Janata Dal. But for now, for all the embarrassment that was caused to not just Odisha cricket but the BCCI as well, one thing can be said, that what happened on Sunday at the Baramati Stadium is not fitting of the world's most powerful and the richest cricketing body.